Hello guys, it is Shivam here. Welcome to brand new series where we are developing the e-commerce app. You can also say a online shopping app from scratch with admin panel using Flutter and Firebase. On this series, we'll cover setting up Firebase as a backend, user authentication, order tracking, payment processing, and many more. So do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of the upcoming videos we upload on this series. Now let's get started. So as you already know that we have already developed a e-commerce app before on our channel from the scratch with a admin panel. Basically, that was a food delivery app. So if you haven't followed that series, I will paste the link in the description box. But you might be thinking that why I'm going to develop this e-commerce app again. So in this e-commerce app, we are going to build a complete electronic shop app where the user can go to the app and can buy the different electronic items like headphones, watches, ACs, and many other electronic items like laptops. So this will be the complete app where the user can buy the electronic items just something like Amazon. So this will be a complete different e-commerce app that we have built before, and it will also have some extra features like we are going to allow the admin to add the products from the admin panel, and that product will be directly shown to the user app. I will also show you how to buy a products through the Stripe payment gateway and how to use a Stripe payment gateway in the Flutter app, and the backend we are going to use is the Firebase, and there will be a complete different UI that we have used in the e-commerce app before. So this will be one of the most exciting series that I am going to make on this channel. There will be a lots of features that you are going to learn on this series. As you already know that once I start any of the series, I end that app, then move to that next series. So by the end of this series, you will have a 8th app to your app bucket list, because we have already developed 7th app before on this channel, which are chat app, a food delivery app, a to-do app, news app, wallpaper app, YouTube player app, barber app. So you can follow that all the apps, and I will paste the link in the description box, and come on and add some more app to your app bucket list, and let's be a pro in the Flutter app development. So before starting the series, I want to tell you that please do not forget to hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of the upcoming videos we upload on this series. And I'm going to upload these videos part by part, because this will be a very long series, and I want that you all to code with me. I will provide you the GitHub link of the images folder so that you can also use the image that I will use on this series. So this will be the best way you can code with me and can learn more about the Flutter and Firebase. So now let's move to the our VS Code, and here you can see that I have created a new project named shopping app, and on this series I am also going to code with you all because I have didn't plan anything more just than the UI. So if I'll face any problem or error, then I will also show you how to resolve that error. So you can say that it will be a totally uncut video, and you can get to know lot about the Flutter app. Now let's move to the leaf folder, and we'll create a new folder name pages here, and inside the pages folder we'll create a new file name onboarding.dart, and here we'll create a landing page, or you can also say a onboarding page. Now we'll first import the package by using the material package, and we'll create a stateful widget name onboarding. Yeah, now we'll write scaffold body container column and children. Yeah, so these are the three important widgets that we widely use in all our Dart files. Now let's move, and in the onboarding page, first I'm going to provide the background color to my screen. So first I will write background color and I will pass the color which will be the customized color code. So 0xFF and ECEFE8. Yeah, so this is the color code that we will be using. So let me call this file in the main.dart file so that I can show you what all things I am writing in the onboarding page. Yeah, so you can also remove this debug banner from here while writing debug so check mode banner to false, and it will frequently remove a debug banner from the top right position. Now in the onboarding page you can see that there are some blue lines. So if you are following my old series, then you already know that we keep on adding a two main function in the analysis options.yml file. So you can add that two lines in the rules section and it will frequently remove that blue lines under each widgets frequently. So as you can see, I have pasted the two lines in the rules section and it will almost remove my blue lines from each widgets. So in the column widget, first I'm going to show the image. So let's move and we'll create a new folder named images here, and inside the images folder I will paste the image. So let me paste that image. So here you can see the image that I have pasted in the images folder. To call this image, we need to go to the prospect yaml.file, and here we need to pass our folder name which is images. Don't forget to pass this images folder, otherwise you can't get the image in the Flutter app. It will frequently throw the error that it can't read the image. So to get the image, we'll write image.asset, and our image has been saved in the images folder. So that's why I'm writing images, and we'll write the exact image file name which is headphone.png. So I will write headphone.png. So here you can see the image. Now one thing I'm going to do that. So I have changed the image color, I mean the background color from here, because I want to match my this background color with the image color. So here it is done. Now let's provide the space from the top. So I will pass the container, I mean the margin in the container. So I will write edge insert dot only top and will pass the margin from the top, maybe 50.0. Yeah, and now we'll write a text over here. So in the column widget I will write a text widget, and in the text widget first I'm going to write explore slash n to change the line, the the best products, products products. Yeah, so let's provide slash n again. So here you can see the text. Now let's provide the styling to our text widget. So I will write style and we'll use a text style over here. So text style, now we'll pass the color to our text widget which is colors.black, and the font size maybe 30.0 and font weight dot bold. Font weight dot bold. So here you can see the text. Now I want this text to move to the left side of the screen. So you already know that we need to pass a cross axis alignment dot start, and here we have moved the text to the left side of the screen. Now let's provide some more font, I mean let's increase the font size to 40. Yeah, so we can also provide the space from the left position. So I will write margin from the left position, which will be 20.0. No, we all need to just provide the, so we can use a padding over here. So I will write padding edge insert dot only left 20.0. Yeah, now let's move and we'll create a button over here which will be the next button, and by tapping to this next button we'll directly move to the signing and sign up page, from where the user can sign up and can directly move to the home page. So here first I'm going to create a customized button by using the container widget, and will write child and will pass a text widget over here again, and will copy this text widget from here and will paste it over here. So we need to write our text name, which is next, and will decrease the font size to 20. So we'll write decoration box decoration, and will provide the color to our container, which is black. So I will write colors dot black, and we'll also provide the padding to our container. So we'll write padding edge insert dot all 20. Yeah, now we need to change the text to white, and yeah, so we'll write row, and in the row I'm using the row over here because I want to move this container to the right side of the screen. So by using the row widget I can easily move this container to the right side of the screen. I need to just write main axis alignment dot end, and it will frequently remove this container to the right side of the screen. And we can also provide the margin. So I will write edge insert dot only right maybe 20.0. now you can also provide the space from the top. So I will write sized box height 20.0. now let's provide the border radius to this container. So I will write border radius dot circular 60. Yes, maybe 120. 120, and we can also provide more padding up to 40. No, it's too big. 30. So we can use a box shape, and we can provide the complete circle to the container. So I will just write shape box shape dot circle. Yeah, now it's look good. So you can see that if you don't want to provide the border radius, I mean the customized number over border radius to provide a perfect circle to your container, you can use a shape box shape dot circle, and it will frequently provide you the circle over the rectangle. Now here it's look good. Now let's move and we'll create a our new page, which will be the home page. So we'll write home dot dart import material stateful widget, and will name the page to home. So this will be the one of the most important page that we are going to make in the e-commerce app, because you already know that when the user are using the e-commerce app, once they sign up in the app they directly move to the home page. So we need to make our home page really attractive so that the user can engage in the app and can buy more products. So you can also see that I am just not a app developer or a software developer. I'm also a good businessman because I have a business mind too. So let's move forward and we'll write scaffold, body, container, child, column, children. Write the username at the top left corner in our home page. So I will write text widget over here and I will write hey and will pass the username. So I'm writing Shivam. Now we'll pass a style, text style. Now we'll pass a color, colors dot black, font size 30.0 and font weight dot bold, font weight dot bold. So yes, now let me show you what all things I am writing in the home page. So we'll move to the main.dart file and we'll call the home page over here, and we'll and here you can see the username at the top left corner, which is hey Shivam. Now let's provide the spacing from the top and the left by using the margin. So I will write margin edge insert dot only top 40.0 and from the left 20.0. So here you can see the username. Let's provide some more spacing from the top. So here you can see the name hey Shivam. Now we can decrease the font size to 28. Yeah, now it's look good. So on this project, I'm going to use the state management name, which is inherited widget and class. So writing the text widget again and again and providing the text style again and again, we will need to write lots of code in the Dart file. So I'm going to do a something shortcut by using this state management method that I have just told you now. So we'll move to the leaf folder and we'll create a new folder name, which name will be widget, and here I will create a new file name support widget.dart, and here I will keep on saving the text style that I am going to use in the app, or you can say the button, and will directly call the widgets from this support widget.dart file, and we don't have to write the code again and again. So this is the new method that I'm going to try in this project. So if you are a beginner, so do not need to worry. This will be one of the easiest process or the state management that I am going to use, so that each and everyone who are making the app from the scratch or developing the app for the first time can get to know what all code I am writing in the VS Code. I don't want to make it complex by using the different state managements over here. This is the best state management that I'm going to use on this app to easily handle by the beginners. So here I will write a class name which will be the app widget, and here first I will write static, and we first going to save the text style over here. So I will write bold text field style, and here we'll save the style of that text widget where we want to show the text in the bold form. So I will write return, and I will copy this style from here, from here, and will paste it over here. Now let's provide the semicolon. Now I just need to write one line and it will frequently call that text style from this support widget.dart file. I just need to write our class name, which is a widget, and we'll call a function name which is bold text field style. And here it is done, and we are still getting that same style that we have just passed in the text widget. So by this method you can see that we can pass the styling to our text widget in just one line. Now let's move forward and we'll again use our text widget over here, and we'll write good morning, and we'll write style text style color colors dot maybe black 45 font size 20.0 and font weight w 500. So here you can see the text. Now I want this text to move to the left side of the screen. So I will write cross axis alignment dot start over here. Now we can also provide the darker color over here. So I will write black 54, and now this is a light text over here. So whenever we want to provide the light text, we'll save this styling over here, and we can call that text style by using the app widget class. So I will write light text field field style, and will return text style over here, and we'll move to the home.dart file, and we'll again write one line code, and we'll call that light text field style. So here it is done, and you can see that how brilliantly our state management is working, and we can frequently call the text style by using just a class name and that function. Now after this name, I want to just provide the space, and here I'm going to show the user image. So let's move to the images folder, and let me call that user image over here. Now I will write image dot asset images, and I will call this image that I have just paste in the images folder. So I will write boy dot jpg, and we need to provide it in the row position. So I'm going to do that. We'll wrap up with a row widget, and we'll cut this asset, I mean the widget, from here, and we'll paste it over here. Now let's provide the space to this image. So I will write height 50, width 50, and fit box fit dot cover. Yeah. So we can increase the image size up to 80. No, it's too big. Maybe 70. So let's provide the maximum space between this two widgets. So I will write main axis alignment dot space between. Now we can also provide the space from the right position. So I will write right 20.0, and we need to also provide the border radius to the image. So you already know that we need to wrap up with a clip react widget, and we'll just need to pass a border radius over here. So I will write border radius dot circular 20. Yeah, maybe 30. I think so 20 was good. Yeah. So you can see that there is a unknowing space between this two widgets because we have used a row over here. But if you want that there would be no space between these two text, then you can do one thing, that we can wrap up with text widget with a column widget, and you can simply cut this text widget from here, and you can paste it over here. Yeah, and we need to also provide the alignment. So I will write start. Yeah. So here it is, look good. So this is it from this video. On our next video, I will make the complete UI of our home page. Then we will make the UI of the other pages like a product detail page. And as we are going to use the Firebase in this app, so I will show you how to connect the Firebase for both Android and iOS. Until then, I will request you all, please do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of the upcoming videos we upload on this series. Until then, keep coding, keep having fun. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.